Hey everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. I can't believe it, that it's already time for Christmas. I mean, like days, like a couple of days. I guess it was already time for Christmas, but you know what I mean. It's upon us so fast. And so I was going to do my Dollar Tree haul separate from Vlogmas. Then I thought, well, that's part of my day, and that's what I've done. So I recorded it as if I wasn't going to combine it. So you might see there were some bloopers. I don't know if I'll include them, make it too long or not. However, there is a dance, and that's coming up first. And I was requested. It's short. It's different than the one before, but it is my Dollar Tree dance. And I hope you don't think badly of me. Anyway, here's my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you'll come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Guess where I've been? Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Everybody loves Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. And guess what? You saw a new dance. It was just a short dance. It was just a made-up song too. So everybody was asking for it. My dog's even singing with me. But yes, I did go to Dollar Tree. I found some cool stuff, some last-minute things if you need them before Christmas, or some little storage items. So let's jump in and I'll show you everything that I found. I can't get him to stop barking, so I guess he's still singing the song. I don't know. So if you hear him, I don't know what he's barking at. Unless he's singing Dollar Tree song. And then he could be singing the Dollar Tree song. So I don't know. Anyway, I don't think I bought any plus items here. But Dollar Tree does have a plus section, at least in most of the stores that I've been in lately. I do know some stores that you guys have reported to me don't have a plus section. But most everything at Dollar Tree is $1.25 now. Even though it's called Dollar Tree. So there you go. Anyways, I love Dollar Tree. I actually don't go as often as I was going, but I have quite a stash here, so I don't, unless I need to go, I don't really go. So there's that. Let me show you what I got. So this cute tray. Now I had another tray I really thought was cute. And I filled it with mugs, kind of like a gift basket, wrapped it with a basket bag, and gave it to my son's office. And those mugs had coffee or hot chocolate. Okay, there may be or may not be a blue for real at the end because my, I'm not talking right for some reason. I can't get out the words. Anyway, let me start over. I got this cute tray. It is so cute. It says candy canes, hot chocolate, and marshmallows. And I had another tray. I made a gift basket sort of out of it. A tray with a bunch of mugs, gifts with hot chocolate and coffee and all kinds of other goodies. Put it in a basket bag, made it really pretty. I do have a video on it, but anyway, this is also cute. And I thought, well, I will use that at Christmas for us. So there you go. All right, so let's look at some of the things that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I didn't really go through the bags. These are the wired garland ties. You get 12, and they have the pine look to them. I use these to help put up the garland on my staircase, and it works beautifully. I wasn't sure if I had enough, so I went ahead and picked up one more since I saw them. I don't always see them anymore, so I don't know if they just sell out or what. Now, if I have any Trekkie fans, please let me know, because you're not going to believe what I found at Dollar Tree. Is anybody a Star Trek fan? Look at that. At Dollar Tree, $1.25, Hot Wheels. It is the USS Enterprise NCC 1701. So I'm very excited to have found that. And apparently there are 2 out of 10 HW screen time. Is what it says. So maybe they actually have more. It has a little stand and everything. So anyway, I do have quite the collection of Star Trek, but it's all packed away because I don't really have anywhere to put it up. I could have like a museum of I Love Lucy. We could have a museum of football and a museum of Star Trek. Then I have Nancy Drew books. So I don't know. I could just have a museum. Okay, stocking stuffer alert. Have you seen the memory flash game? It's like Simon or whatever it was years ago. And it, you know, lights up the color and you follow and try to see how far you can get. It says 3 and up. I'm not sure about that. It uses AAA batteries, which are not included. So if you wanted it to work right off the bat, you would need to open it and put the batteries in it. But fun game. That's going in a stocking for sure. I use these little napkins. I don't know if you guys do these little party napkins. I have a little tray from Dollar Tree actually. And I put this in my coffee station. They didn't have any Christmas or winter look ones, but they had black, so I figured that would work. They didn't even have red or green or blue. They just, I don't know. Then they also have their little gloves out. These are for a little one, and it says Snugadoo. Snugadoo. And it says one size fits all. See the words? I don't know. One size fits all, and really soft. So that's going in a stocking also. Then I thought it would be fun this winter to get ready on some projects to plan. Do you plan for your 2024 or your year upcoming? I always do, and I have a whole haul of like Post-it notes, and you know, it's a plan that I learned a long time ago, and so I do that planning. And then so sometimes I want to have more detailed other than just using my planner. So I'll use a clipboard, and clipboards are really fun to decorate. So if you don't know how to do that, let me know, because I think I probably will do a video on that. All right, so Christmas. Marshmallows. Sweet Christmas marshmallows. They're in all kinds of Christmas shapes. There are 3 different kinds. Looks like trees, candy canes, and snowmen. And it's pretty full. So that's good. That's a stocking stuffer too. And then this is a stocking stuffer. This is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer licensed product snack mix. So it has little baby chocolates with reindeer faces. I don't know if you've seen this. And then it has pretzels and peanuts in it. I think they're both the same. And so stocking stuffers, if you can find them. Our store had them. All right, Santa hot chocolate bomb. I tried that on Vlogmas. It was very good. It is recommended to use milk. I would use milk. And this is only 4 ounces, only makes 4 ounces, so don't fill up your cup and put this in. You only want like half a cup. Okay. All right, next. Now I bought several of these, and I probably won't take them all out. And you may have seen these basket labels, but I have lots of baskets back there, and I have some over here. They're really more bins than baskets. But I thought this would be nice to be able to put in there exactly what's in those, which I kind of know already, but and that way it's more organized. So I did get several of those. Okay, they carry these at Dollar Tree all the time. These are the nut rolls. That also is a stocking stuffer. Then here is a stocking stuffer for Hondo, which is water buffalo rib bones. So that's for Hondo. Here is another stocking stuffer. This is Sour Warheads Holiday Mix. So that's a fun one, and it has different shapes and flavors. So stocking stuffers. I love to get themed stocking stuffers. And then I have one of these Jot like trays that go on a pegboard. and it's white, and I would prefer to get white, but they didn't have one, and so I went ahead and got this black one. I think black's okay, but it really does hold pretty well. I have a couple punches on the other one, so I want to put some punches on this one and put it on my pegboard. All right, kitty stocking stuffers. Kitty alert, they love these, and so I have to fill their stocking with something because I always put things in there for them to open on Christmas Day. Do you guys do stockings for your kitties? I don't know. All right, Dollar Tree had some bows, you guys, and usually I save my bows year to year. And I do have a few, but not a lot. And so I thought, well, for $1.25, get 30 bows. That's a pretty good deal. All right. Now, I've not seen this at Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure. But this says it's Harry and David coffee. Does anybody know? I mean, Harry and David, they're very famous. This is Harry and David is a trademark of Harry and David LLC. So this is real Harry and David. And so I got, this is stocking stuffer, breakfast blend to try, and vanilla cream brulee. And there's 4 of the coffee pods in here. So I don't know. Have you seen those at your store? You may not be looking for coffee, but... And I did not buy this, so, well, maybe I did buy it. I did not put this in my, so somehow, must have been on the belt before, and somebody left it, and I got it. Glory. All right. Milk-Bone dog biscuits. Guess who's stocking? Yes, it is for Hondo. They are little minis, and they're just plain. He really likes the gravy ones, so we'll see if he'll eat those. And then I have one more. All right. So, Kevin wanted some reading glasses. All right, so they had these fun beads, and it actually has a tag that says thankful. But I thought this was fun. I like to use beads to do different things, and as the season's gonna change, the blues would be pretty. And then I hadn't seen this at Dollar Tree. Isn't that pretty? It would make a beautiful ornament, but it's also getting us ready for Valentine's Day. So I did pick one. They had 3 different kinds or colors, so I did pick one of those up. And then I just got some little storage trays. I like these because they stack well. And if you haven't used them, I'll show you how they close. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Well, maybe. All right, so you can see this lid here and this lid. You don't just lay it like that. You interlock them. So when they're about right here, then they fit on each other like that. And then you can stack on top of these. And you don't have a lid you have to take off. So, and then it just opens right up. Just pull this and it opens right up. So it's pretty cool. I like to use these for different things, you know. And especially when I'm on a working project, and I'll put things in like a smaller bin just to keep all the themed things together that I'm working on. So anyway, that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. There might be a few bloopers at the end just because I stuttered over my words, but thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye. And lots of goodies to go with it. And those mugs, they were awesome and really appreciated. They had chocolate